I'm at one of Massachusetts' most beautiful beaches, and today's challenge, not allowed to photograph the ocean. I headed up to Plum Island in Massachusetts for a sunrise photography challenge. The rule, I can photograph anything I want, but the ocean is completely off limits. Ooh! All right, let's go. Let's do this challenge. Okay, so how are we tackling this challenge? Well, let's first look at why we're doing it. When you take away the obvious shot, you're forced to start seeing things differently. So we're not going to take the typical ocean view photo. We want unique images that challenge us and help us grow as photographers, whether you're a beginner or more advanced. We're going to start by slowing down and really looking around. Instead of just walking around looking for something beautiful, I started asking myself, what is actually catching my eye right now? Maybe it was an object, an interesting shape, a pattern, a texture, a shadow. And that's why I love photography challenges like this. They make you stop and pay attention. You start noticing things you probably wouldn't have noticed if you were just there for a walk. And as the sun kept rising, the light continued to change, so I kept looking at the same things from different angles. Something that looked pretty ordinary 1 minute could suddenly become really interesting once the light hit it. This is where I love my 100mm macro lens. I get down low and up close and personal, and you see all these tiny details I would have walked right past. So instead of asking yourself, what should I photograph? Try asking, what am I noticing? Here are my top 5 tips for you. I'd love to hear what you think. Which photo's your favorite, and would you try this challenge? Don't wait for the perfect photograph to find you. Train yourself to see the possibilities in front of you. Your camera can only capture what your eye learns to see. Till next time.